welcome back to the channel. Today's the day we choose the winners of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway prize. We have two prizes to give away today, which is fantastic. We have the Goncalo Owls and Soapstone and Brass inlay bowl that we made a few weeks ago. And we also have a set of bowl turning tools kindly donated by the people at Record Power. Bowl gouge, scraper and parting tool. They are wonderful quality and they will do you very, very well indeed. Now, I asked everybody to make comments on videos, and if you did, then you're going to be in with a chance to win, and that's exactly what's happened. We've released 7 videos since the last giveaway. I was hoping it was going to be more, but we kind of reached the 10,000 subscribers within about 7-8 days of me announcing the competition, which was a little bit mind-blowing, but it happened and we shall carry on. To choose those winners, we are going to be selecting one name from each of those 7 videos. We'll be using an app on the internet to do that. And then those 7 winners will go into the hat and we will choose one at random using, again, another app on the internet. The first name to come out the hat will win the bowl, and the second name to come out the hat will win the bowl turning set. So good luck to everybody. At present, I do not know who's won. We haven't done the draw or anything like that. So if you're watching this now and you haven't been contacted, do not worry, it could still be you. I'm not going to release the name until the end of the video, and I will not be contacting that person directly before the end of the video. I'm going to let that person contact me. So if you're watching this now and you haven't been contacted, that's not surprising. It's down to you. Watch the video, see if you've won. Before we swap over to my computer screen, where we're going to choose the winners, I just want to say an enormous thank you to everybody who is helping to support this channel. We've only been going for about 15 months and the journey has just been absolutely unbelievable. The amount of people and friends I've made through these videos is fantastic. The help and the kindness that everyone has shown has just been, it's beyond my wildest dreams. I can't explain enough to you how grateful I am that you all support me in such an amazing way, and thank you. So, right, I'm not going to cry. So thank you very much indeed. I'm going to swap you over now to VoiceOver Mike, and he's going to talk you through the rest. So apart from that, thank you very much indeed, and I'll see you next time. Okay, this is the site that we're going to use to choose the winner from the 7 names that have already been chosen from a different app on the internet. In a second, I'm going to paste these 7 names into this area here, and the random picker is going to choose one individual person and put their name there. Now, the first time I run it, the first name that comes up will be winning the bowl. I will then put the list of names in again, but taking out the winner from the first time, run it again, and then the second winner will get the bowl turning tools from Record Power. Okay, we all ready? Then we shall begin. The list of finalists is Jax Lawson, Mike G, Alien Leader, Doug Miller, Donald Godwin, Rob Bosma, and Silverback. Right. 3, 2, 1. Jax Lawson. Well done. Right, Jax, if you can drop me an email or a message on YouTube, we'll get some details from you and we will send the bowl off to you. But thank you very much indeed for taking part, and I'll speak to you very soon. Congratulations. Okay. I shall refresh this page. We've got the page loaded back in again. I shall paste in the list of names again, but this time without Jax Lawson. So this time for the Record bowl turning tools, we have Mike G, Alien Leader, Doug Miller, Ronald Godwin, Rob Bosma, and Silverback. Good luck. Silverback. Okay, brilliant. Excellent. Right. Mr. Silverback or Mrs. Silverback or Ms. I'm not sure. Congratulations, Silverback. You are the winner. You are the proud owner now of the Record Power bolt turning set. If you get in touch in the same way, leave a note in the comments here or via email, then we can swap details and I shall send these off to you. Thank you very much, everybody, for taking part in this giveaway. We will be doing another. Exactly when, I am not sure. I haven't set a date yet. I'm going to take a couple of weeks off for some annual holiday. The videos will still be coming out. I've still been making enough videos to cover every week while I'm away, so don't worry about that. Sometimes the replies are going to be a little bit slow. It depends on what the internet is like wherever I end up. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.